Good afternoon. My name is Emily Mabote. I'm from Swan University of Technology, TUT, from the Office of the Executive Director, Institutional Effectiveness and Technology. Today, day one of the SAAIR conference, I attended two workshops. The first one was on the Times Higher Education rankings, which was quite an informative workshop. It was a masterclass, to learn more about rankings and to understand rankings better. And the second workshop was on COPIA, and Gerard from Stellenbosch took us through the impact assessment in terms of the information that we process to understand COPIA better and the impact of controls and how to conduct a assessment. It was quite a very interesting workshop. I enjoyed it, I learned a lot, and I look forward to implementing it. And thank you to SAAIR for arranging the workshops. And cheers to 30 years of celebration of SAAIR existence. Thank you and bye.